with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and continue viewing my videos. Today we'll learn about how to install WhatsApp and Telegram. You just go here, you just write WhatsApp, WhatsApp application. Then you download WhatsApp. When you go to this page here, you'll find where to download WhatsApp for Windows, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depends on your computer. And then after you download, it will bring you to the downloads. Then it will bring, after you download, it will bring you the setting. Just open the file. Just open. There will be a dialog box which will pop up, and then you press run. Then we wait for the WhatsApp to run. This is how it looks like. Let's wait. Let me play some music when it's about to run. It will appear. And you'll have to WhatsApp web with your phone so that you can access your WhatsApp. That's what I was showing you about how to install WhatsApp. I hope you will be able to do it. Now let's go to install. Let's head to install Telegram application. Then just run. Then search it. Let's search the Telegram desktop. And then we need to bring this page where you get Telegram for Windows. Yeah. Then you wait till the page loads. It will bring a setup dialog box where you will save the file. Then it will appear here for setup or Telegram. Then it downloads. It will not take long until it downloads. After it downloads, You open file, you press open file, and you hit downloads. It just finished downloading, and then you run the file. Then you wait. Select any language you want. Select English. Select English, okay. And then you will check the setup will install Telegram into which folder, and then press next. Yes, Telegram setup desktop. Next, get a desktop shortcut. Yes, so that you can access your Telegram in an easy way. Then install. It is extracting files so that you can install. While creating shortcuts. And then it has finished launching Telegram. Then you wait a little bit till it appears, and then you resume, and then you wait it appears. You bring a dialog box saying Telegram desktop. Welcome to the official Telegram desktop app. It's fast and secure. Then you press start messaging, write your number, or quick login. Just your QR code. You just go. Let me see. Okay, you just put it. Just scan from your using your phone, and it will be okay. You can choose the country. You enter your phone number, the country you want, your number, then you log in. That's the simple way on how to install a Telegram and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I will bring more stuff so later, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for viewing.